If you're running late, you've only got 5 minutes, you're in tune because we're gonna do a 5-minute makeup tutorial. Hi, Rubylicious here. Welcome to my channel. And today we're gonna do some working mom hacks. So first, this is a full face makeup tutorial. Now, I am not a makeup guru, but I had my fair share back in the day. So this is my makeup bag. Inside is everything I need. So let's set my timer. It's at 0 and start. So first, this is what is a light color concealer from Physicians Formula. I use that on my eyelids. Well, you need something to keep the eyeshadow to stick on, right? So I like it because I don't have to stick my finger in a pot. I just kind of like do this. Okay, I used to be a matte girl. I still am, but ain't nobody got time to go to the mall and do all that. So Wet n Wild, this is pretty good stuff. It shows you how to do it too. So I usually start on the the crease, above the crease. Okay. So you want to do like a neutral color, like a matte color is what I meant. And then under the crease, you want to do more of like a darker shade to define it. So I just kind of like put the gold underneath. Okay. And then you hit the crease on the corners, bottom, last like third of it right there. And then I do the last shade, which is the light colored pink. All over the lid, bottom side. You do the top side too. Here we go. Top. Probably all you makeup gurus are getting pissed at me, but whatever. Hit the eyeliner. I like to use Maybelline Waterproof, my go-to. Liquid liner. One line across. Another line across. Okay. Hit the mascara. Go-to Maybelline Great Lash. In junior high, I've been using this, so I tried all that expensive stuff like Lancome, which is really good, but it's expensive. This is just a mommy on a budget trying to get it together. So you want to look down and then brush up so that you don't get it on your eyeshadow. Okay, next I do my foundation. I like to use Tarte. I'm like Tan Honey. I put it right here on my wrist. Squirt a little bit. My little foundation brush from Tarte. And you just kind of like go everywhere. You just get at it. And you want to like make sure you get down the neck so that, and down to the ear, forehead, so that you don't see that seamless line there. Great. Now, Anastasia Brow Wiz. The little spoolie brush fell off. It broke, but it still works. So you just want to do like, I do like line strokes, and then like I kind of trace lightly, and then go down the arch. I get my eyebrows threaded. I really like them because wax hurts, and I feel like they get it even when I get it threaded at the mall. Then you do the other side. I feel like usually one eyebrow is better than the other, like a little unicorn, and the other one looks like a donkey, but whatever. Just work with it. Get at it like that. Perfect. You get your spoolie brush, kind of like blend it, kind of get it like that. Make sure like everything's kind of blended. Then we do bronze butter from Physicians Formula. I get my little, I go by the feel. Do a little contour here. Like that. A little here. A little at the jaw. Action right here. Right here. NARS, my go-to orgasm blush Mine got crumbled. It's like shattered, but it still works. Little tap, tap, tap. Go up there. Get up there. All right, next we use our Wet n Wild highlighter. This is in the color Blossom Glow. And actually, you know, their pigmentation is really good. I just kind of like this. I'm gonna like that. And just make sure everything looks good. And we're done. Lipstick of your choice. And we're at about 5 minutes right there. So that's how you do it. I usually put my lipstick for last. A little chapstick here. I like my Burt's Beeswax. I usually put my lipstick last right before work because, you know, you're drinking coffee, it's getting in your teeth, it's getting on your coffee mug. You don't want to bother with that. But if you're curious, I do use this Palladio lipstick or lip balm shine, whatever. Get Real is the color. If you want to see, I'll just put it on my face. It's just real natural, you know. Voila, and that's what I do. So check me out in my next video. Click that like button and subscribe. See you later. Bye.